When researchers are conducting studies on memory, there are basically two main techniques that can be used to measure memory in a lab setting. One type of memory technique is recall. This is when you have to recall information that you've learned out of your memory. Now, you're not really given any cues or hints. So, for instance, if you take an exam and you have to basically just write the answer to a question or give a short answer response, you're being asked to recall that information. Okay, recall is having to come up with the information and generate the solution on your own. Recognition tasks are a little bit different. In a recognition task, you simply have to recognize the correct answer out of a series of choices. So a multiple choice test is an obvious example of this. In a multiple choice test, you don't have to generate the solution yourself, you just need to identify it in the options. It's already listed there and you just have to recognize it. Now we know that recognition is easier than recall. A lot of students prefer multiple choice tests for that reason. You know the correct answer is there somewhere and you simply have to identify it. Free recall means you need to generate the solution and come up with it on your own. So these are the two main types of tasks that are used to measure memory. And there are different variations of recall and recognition, but you should be familiar with those two main distinctions, recall and recognition. Recognition a little bit easier than recall.